Hello guys, and welcome back to the next episode of our journey. Today we were in Catbells, Lake District. Now this is a fell near Keswick that me and Georgia completed in August. Got to head there. Now the hike itself is super easy, does not take long at all. So we had quite a lot of time to chill up there, made some food. For this hike we actually stayed in a campsite as well, just because we were lazy. So no crazy wild camping in this video, just a chilled out campsite camp with a hike up to Catbells. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Definitely going to be uploading more moving into winter. Have ordered a new tent, got some plans in the works. So sit back and enjoy the beauty of the Lake District. We are in Keswick in the Lake District. We just got here, just pitched up here. Here's our tent. But yeah, now this is a massive coincidence because that right there is the Derwent X Mid 2 Solid, the tent I've just ordered, which we'll be using in future videos. Just a side note. And all it will be is just a few hikes around. The main one I want to tackle is Catbells up there, and perhaps over there is Skiddaw. We'll have a look around Keswick town as well, kind of see how it is all there. We need to do like a food shop. We're gonna get some cooking done tonight, or maybe even eat out, who knows. But yeah, George's birthday today, a little chill one in Keswick. Sun's coming out now. Rain is forecast all weekend, but it's not raining right now. So we even got some little friends came over. Day one of the trip was basically pitch up, put the stuff in the tent and go get some food. It has been a long day travelling by train to get to Keswick. So we did our new sleeping mats and then packed up and went out to the town centre to get some food. And then woke up bright and early, and that's where this will carry on. Right, good morning everybody, it's the next day. Wasn't much to film last night, we just went for some food and then went to sleep. But honestly had one of the best night's sleep that we've had so far camping. But yeah, now we are on the Cumbria Way, walking to Catbells. Just a small hike today. Yeah, because we don't want to burn ourselves out. We're here for a few days. We're just exploring as much as we can, as I said yesterday. So yeah, Catbells today. But yeah, this is the Cumbria Way. And yeah, what a place, man. But we'll update you as we go. So that's where we're headed, Catbells. No idea how long it's going to take. Now that is me pointing out Skiddaw, the 4th highest peak in the Lake District. Obviously I was not equipped to climb at that time. There was actually a guy at the campsite who had to be mountain rescued, and he was an experienced mountain leader. He said it was the worst weather he has seen up there, and people have died there, so we'll be coming back at a better time for that. This is our first time in the Lake District, so we will definitely be coming back to do more, but yeah, just for now we're just starting off slow with Catbells, because we're a bit more familiar with that one. Based off what other people have said. So we're now on the Cumbria Way, one of the national trails in the UK. Just came off the main road here, and it goes all the way down here. Taking it to Catbells. Fingers crossed, maybe even see some red squirrels. Haven't seen any yet, but you know, got to big up the red squirrels because they've been replaced by those grey ones. But yeah, this is the Cumbria Way. Nice woodland section of it, little incline as well. It takes 1 hour, but we'll see about that. Let's go up and find out. 450 meters tall, but a steady climb. Great views of Derwent Water. That should be lovely. So over there you've got Skiddaw, as I said. I am going to plan on climbing that. The English Alps. There they are. And there's Derwent Water. Little scramble, little scramble. That's it. The only scramble involved. Keep heading on up. We're getting there. While there's no wind, I'll just give you an update then. So we are almost at the top of Catbells. Almost finished scrambling. But it's a nice scramble, it's not difficult. Everyone can do this Catbells of all ages. Seeing old people, kids, heavy people, light people, anyone can do it. And the views you get are insane. You can see basically all the major parts of the lakes. You've got Scafell Pike area over there. You've got Skiddaw over there. Blencathra over there. Just beyond here on that side, on the east of Derwent Water, is Helvellyn. And the views are just some of the best in the UK. Maybe not UK, maybe just England, because I've not been to Snowdonia, I have not been to Scotland, so one day, one step at a time, we'll keep going.